Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this pre-plucked glueless wig from UNiceHair. And guys, this wig looks like my real hair. Like, this is the perfect length and everything. Like, it looks, I could fool anybody with this wig, I promise you. And guys, it's 100% glueless, so I did not have to glue this hair. This wig is super easy to install, and we are going to do it together. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. We are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig from UNiceHair together on camera. So, I am slowly really liking this more like Yaki, kinky texture. Like, it does look a lot like my natural hair texture when I get it blow dried or something. So I do kind of like that. So it is a little fun, but let's see what we have here. Okay, so here is the wig. This little bag is very fancy, very beautiful. Let's open it and see what we have. So here's the box. You get this nice, pretty pink box. Okay, so here is the wig, you guys. So it does come with a wig cap, an HD wig cap, and it has their branding on the wig cap. You don't really see that too often. Let's see what gifts we have in here. So hold on. Oh, okay, that is nice. These are actual, they're faux mink lashes, but these are some nice big lashes. Hold up now. They don't usually give you lashes like this. This is actually super nice. Okay, I like it. And inside of this bag, you have a headband for when you install the wig, a wig cap, and what is in here? Oh, okay, some press-on nails, you guys. So that is really cute. These press-ons match the color of the box and the bag. And it has their branding on it once again. So that's really cool. I love the detail, but let's actually get into this wig. So let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic. Okay, let me not spoil the surprise. Let me not spoil it. Let's take it out of this plastic. So here you have an elastic band you can attach on the wig. But let's actually get into this wig, you guys. It is looking really pretty. Hold on. As you all can see, it is already pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached. You have this nice, beautiful middle part, and the texture is like a little kinkier. This is really cute. Okay. Honestly, this is about the length of my real hair, maybe. Or am I exaggerating? I might be exaggerating a little bit, but this is actually a really nice length. And the hair is very flowy for a kinky texture. I do love that. Like, it's giving, but yeah, that's the texture. But look at this, child. The middle part is nice and long. This is a 7x5 wig. Let me take it out of the plastic so you all can really see what we're working with and see how this wig is actually constructed. You do have like a little more lace in the front than you would with a normal closure wig. So you have room to do like baby hair, or like even switch over to a side part if you want to switch the wig to a side part. Definitely a cheat code. That's fantastic. It does have combs in it, so there's a comb. And here is where you would attach the elastic band. So from here to this side. But the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do to this wig is spray a little bit of lace tint on the lace to get it a little closer to my skin tone. And that is all you're going to have to do to this wig. It's completely glueless, so you do not have to worry about applying glue or installing the wig. You just slap this thing on, you guys. So this kind of wig is super easy to work with for beginners. Like, this is a very beginner-friendly wig. Ooh, this is pretty. Hold up now. This is actually really pretty. Like, okay. This is cute. I like it. This is nice. And the lace looks invisible, you guys. Like, the lace looks actually really good. I got a little lace spray on the actual hair, but this looks really bomb. Like, guys, this is actually looking really cute. Like, this looks like my real hair. Like, this really is the length of my real hair. if I did actually straighten it for real. But it is a little thicker. Like this is like a very nice length. I feel like I could easily trick people. Like this is my real hair, no problem. But it looks good. As you all can see, it looks good before you even try to glue the wig down or anything like that. Like it's just eating, you guys, it's eating. But, and I mean, just like that, you got this cute little, this like is a very cute blowout looking wig. Like it looks like I just got my hair blown out or something. Like this looks like mine, 100%. That's one thing I love about this kinky, yaki texture. Like it looks like mine. You can't tell me this isn't my hair. I'm gonna, you know what? I really should go to my parents' house with this wig and see if they think it's my real hair. Like, I think I could fool them easily. I think I could easily fool my mother with this wig on. Like, she's gonna be like, easily. Like, this looks like mine. You cannot tell me this is not my real hair. Okay, the only thing I am going to do to this wig is add just a little mousse at the top to get it like a little flatter. You know, just add a little flatness to this wig, and like, y'all, it looks really, really good. It does look really good. I'm glad I got this shorter length because this is really how my hair really looks, which I think is so, so cute. I love it. Very, very cute. I'm gonna turn around for you all so you all can see it from the back and see how it's looking. This is how my hair looks. Honestly, this is how it looks after I get my hair relaxed, because even relaxed, my hair isn't just straight, but yeah. This is about it. And it looks bomb. Okay, this is really, really cute. I like it. So what we're gonna do is add just a little bit of baby hair just to see what it looks like, because this is a 7x5 wig, so you do have like a little more parting space. So why not play with it a little bit? And one thing about this, you could do like a cute little updo too with a 7x5. You have room to maybe put a braid in here, do like pigtails or something. Like we might play around with this wig a little bit. Let me see. Hold on. So let's do a little baby hair on each temple. And of course, you all see I have this wig on, so it is big head friendly. So my big headed girlies do not need to worry. And of course, if you have a smaller head, once you attach that elastic band, like you're good, you're good. The wig is gonna be super secure and be able to be adjusted to your head size. So yeah, there's one. So this is how it looks with baby hair. It looks really, really cute. I like the baby hair. I like the baby hair with this wig. So we're just gonna do the other side really quickly. And like, that's cute. It's really, really cute. I like it. So let me turn around and show you all how long it is on me. So, you know, it's right at my, well, actually it's at my mid back. So this is actually really, really cute. I like it. This is fun. This is kind of fun. And of course, since you do have some extra parting space, like I was saying, you could do like a little side part. You see, you could part it over there. Let me see. Hold on. So you could do 2 pigtails. That's really what I like to do lately. I love putting my hair in pigtails when I have a little extra parting space. But like, this just looks like my hair. Looks really, really cute. Like a blowout, like, bam. And it is 100% glueless. So you can definitely switch between styles, switch between wigs, super duper easy. And just throw this wig on when you want that nice yaki look. So this is really, really cute. I like it. I like it. It looks like mine. It really looks like my hair. I love it. But that is it for this video. Of course, I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.